We're starting with a new answer, and I'm just sharing the screen. You tell me if it is visible or not.
It is visible, ma'am.
It is now okay. Okay, then I think we will start with this answer. Anisha, can you read this high performance team?
Yes, ma'am. High performance teams. The term team is used frequently, but to become a real team takes real hard work. A high performing team is committed, coordinated, focused, adaptable, and has varied skills and talents. When properly managed and developed, teamwork improves productivity, processes, and profitability through the free exchange of ideas, information, and knowledge sharing. It is an essential component in any organization to build trust, improve communication, and develop a culture of interdependence rather than one of independence.
I think this is very interesting explanation in the paragraph. Okay. Every organization, students, is having various departments. Okay, and it's extremely important to have, good coordination amongst that department. Okay, and eventually it leads to a teamwork. Okay. High performance team is something which is recognized with certain characteristics that we are going to see in the answer now. Okay. But it says that, it improves productivity, it improves profitability, okay, and it creates a sense of interdependence rather than independence, which means किसी भी employee को ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए okay, that once he is once he is coming to the office, his work is alone sufficient and important. No, he has to understand that he will be dependent on other members for some or the other work, right? So it creates a sense of a culture of interdependence. Okay, students, it's I've been telling you before also. Wherever you're going to join, remember one thing: nobody is going to see how intelligently, how brilliantly, how smartly you're performing on individual level. Company is more interested to know how you are able to perform in a team. Okay, because it's all about exchange of ideas and information and knowledge. Whatever you are studying, whatever knowledge you have, okay, you are going to share that with your team members. वहां पे आप जाके machines के साथ काम नहीं करने वाले हो. Okay, so let us see the characteristics of high performing team.
Characteristics of high performance teams. In a review of over 50 students on high performance teams, a list was compiled of high performance team characteristics. Characteristics are grouped into 8 categories as indicated below, with specific and detailed indicators for each category. First,
Okay,
perspective.
okay, we will just understand this introduction part. There are few characteristics that are identified of high performance team. Some research studies were carried out, and over 50 studies have been done on this. All right, and from those studies, okay, some characteristics are pulled out. We will study all those characteristics one by one. Okay. If you remember in principles of management, students, I have taught you the concept of quality circle. What is quality circle, student? There are few employees in your organization who are extremely dedicated, and the company needs to identify and track those employees. Okay, they are not necessary from the same department. Okay, now they are engaged into something called as productive conversation. Usually when you are working in companies, you have informal relations, and this informal relations you get engaged into unproductive discussions, organization politics, and many other things which are not healthy for the company, right? But this quality circle, there are few employees, there might be 100% few employees in your company who are meeting on regularly basis, and they are concerned about the organization's growth. Okay, for example, my I from marketing team, okay, and Anisha from production team, and Anil from media team. Now we all are working together, and not necessary that we have to sit and on the same floor, or we have to meet on the same premises of the organization. We might be meeting in the cafeteria, we might be traveling together. Okay, and during that period when we interact with each other, we are discussing about the organization's core problems. Okay, we are talking about organizations policies, strategies. Okay, we are talking about what the company can do, or what the company should do, right? So these people are quality circles. Okay, most of the time the organizations are not able to identify the quality circles, but it's extremely important for every company to start identifying which employee is contributing, or which employee is a part of quality circle and contributing to important opinions and advices. Okay, वैसा ही होता है high performance team. Just like quality circles, we have something called as high performance teams. Okay, now these team members are highly motivated. Okay, and there is a great cohesiveness, togetherness amongst the team members. Team members are highly focused to work on common goals. Okay, and there are few characteristics which are identified, and it is grouped into 8 categories. Let us see one by one. I hope there is no difficulty in understanding the introduction part.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right, so we go ahead with the first one, that is, okay, Anisha.
Perspective leadership individuals of high performance team display great leadership qualities which come from a perspective and logical point of view.
Yes, I think a high performance team is highly characterized by leadership quality, and importantly, they have a perspective which gives logical reasoning to things. Okay, now what is perspective? जो आप सोच के रखा हुआ है आपने, okay, and something which you feel, which you feel you are right, okay, which you feel is correct. Okay, that is your perspective. Okay, usually we all have a different perspective on different things. Okay, but in high performance team, all the team members are having a common perspective of leadership skills, leadership qualities. They resemble or they deliver leadership qualities. Okay, they are not waiting for their managers to give them guidance or directions. Okay, they are very proactive. These team members, they possess leadership qualities. I hope you remember the answer qualities of leader last year we have seen, right? So all the leadership qualities are associated with the team members of high performance team. Moving ahead to the second one.
Aligned on purpose, the task of high performance teams is always in alignment with the departmental and hence by association with the organizational goals. They are assembled on purpose with the organizational goals.
आई थिंक अलाइनमेंट मतलब क्या, सब कुछ जब आप एक लाइन में, अलाइनमेंट मीन्स व्हेन यू आर इन वन लाइन, व्हेन यू आर ऑन द सेम पेज. ओके, so one of the major characteristics of high performance team is they are all aligned, okay, with their departmental goals and organizational goals. They know very well कि मेरी कंपनी के overall goals को अगर अचीव करना है, so I have to focus on the departmental goals. Okay, they work on purpose. मतलब उन लोग का, उन्हें पता है कि when they are working, कुछ तो कारण है, कुछ purpose से वो काम कर रहे हैं. Okay, there will be some outcome of this work, right? So I think this is again a very interesting characteristic, that people are working with a clear idea that their work has got some purpose. Okay, just like we live with some purpose, है ना? आप भी कुछ तो purpose होगा. You have taken admission in BMS, कुछ तो purpose होगा ना. आप आगे सोच रहे हो कि MBA करना है, या फिर आपको HR field में आगे क्या study करना है. Something you might have thought about it, right? Similarly, in companies also, high performance team is having a clear purpose. Okay, and it is aligned with their departmental and organizational goals. I hope I'm not going very fast. A very quick recap of what we have done so far. We started with the concept of high performance team. I think the term team itself is, constituting a lot of, or the term team itself means that, a group of members working on common purpose. Okay. And these team members are highly motivated. Okay. And nobody becomes a highly motivated, or nobody becomes a part of high performance team unless hard work is there. Okay. And these team members are committed and way to focused on their work. Okay. There's a great coordination amongst them. Okay. They are having very good skills, very good intelligence. All right. And that's how we are now studying few characteristics of high performance team. I think every organization must be having all is required is the top management should identify this high performance team. Okay. आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जाओगे ना स्टूडेंट्स, आपको एक चीज तो एक्सपीरियंस करने मिलेगा ही, that your top management is constantly, or your managers are constantly, taking suggestions from those employees who are valued. Okay, from those employees who are having logical reasoning, who are realistic. Okay, so I think you also become a part of a high performance team when you join in any organization, because your success, your survival completely depends on how you perform in the company. Now let us see the characteristics. We have seen two characteristics of high performance team. सबसे first characteristics तो ये है कि सारे high performance team members are having leadership qualities. Okay, that means they are proactive. They are able to influence others. Okay, they are innovative and dynamic. Second point that we have seen is aligned on purpose. So all the team members are on the same page. They know that their work is having some purpose. Okay, and they're result oriented, of course. So their work is aligned, the departmental objectives are aligned with the organization overall objectives. Let us see point number 3.
Responsive high performance teams have a faster degree of response than the other employees of the company. Hence, the time of accomplishing tasks is also significantly lesser.
Okay, I think responsive means what students are, na? See, for just for example, if I am discussing something, or if department is trying to, introduce some new program, or is department is trying to take up some new initiative, there will be few students who will be highly responsive, and there will be few students very indifferent. Okay, so responsive यानी क्या, जो quickly respond करते हैं. Okay, and favorably and positively. Okay, so these team members have this have faster degree of response. Okay, तो कभी project आता है ना, तो उसका डेडलाइन है, तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि डेडलाइन तक कंप्लीट करो. अगर आप उससे पहले कंप्लीट कर सकते हो तो why not? Okay, so these team members, they are highly focused. Okay, and they are very quickly responsive. And since their responsiveness is greater, the time that they take to complete the work is significantly lesser. यानी कि वो इतना क्विक रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं चीजों को लेकर कि उनका काम ना जल्दी फिनिश होता है. Okay, I think all of us now should learn the quality of being responsive. I tell you why. Okay, see, being indifferent is being coward. Okay, आप बहुत बुझदिल हो अगर आप respond nahi karte ho to, right? You should have opinion, you should have suggestion about something. Okay, okay, when the project is coming to you, and if your boss is saying you the deadline is after 1 month, okay, that does not mean that you're going to wait for 1 month to complete the project. Okay, you be responsive. Okay, you kind of start working on it with lot of dedication. What if you might complete the project within 20 days, right? So be responsive. Similarly, high performance team here is recognized with this important characteristics of being responsive. All right, we move ahead to point number 4, which is task focused.
Task focused team members of a high performance team are always displaying a higher focus on their task at hand.
That means they give more importance to their work. Okay, for them, purpose of work is extremely important. They are result oriented. They look in the outcome. Okay. A task means all the duties and responsibilities associated with their work. Okay. So they all are all the team members of high performance team. Okay. They consider this task as very important, and they are very much focused on achieving the task. Okay. I think this is something very brilliant. Um, I suppose in every classroom also we have couple of students who are a part of high performance team. And right now when I'm teaching you this answer, I can recollect. Okay, most of the students, they show the sign of being a member of high performance team. Okay, and this is how I think. Uh, but then this year I don't know why the attendance is poor, and also few students who were very active last year seems to be very indifferent this year. I don't know why, what is wrong with them. Anyways, that we will talk in the parents meeting. I'll continue the answer here. मैंने क्या क्या points complete किया है? Point number 1, which stated the perspective leadership. That means high performance team के members, okay, they have leadership qualities. Then second one, their work is aligned on purpose. They know that their work is having a purpose, all right, and their work is integrated with the organization objectives. Third, हमने जो complete किया, that is responsive. That means high performance team is reactive to or is responding quickly, and therefore they are able to complete the work in less time, which means the company can take up multiple projects. The next one is task focus. That means the team members are highly task focused. They work on their task with all the dedication. Now let us see the next point, which is point number 5. Okay, communicative.
High performance team members possess excellent oral and written communication skills required for efficient completion of their tasks.
Yes, I think a member of high performance team will always have good communication skills, both written as well as oral. Okay, since they are a part of a motivated team. Okay, I feel that to a certain extent. Okay, um, they are allowed. See, the first point itself, leadership qualities, right? Which automatically states that every member in the high performance team is opinionated. Okay, and they possess good skills in terms of oral and written communication. Okay, I think extremely important. Okay, for all those who are listening to my session now, let me tell you, guys, once you join in any organization, you cannot be blank. वहां पे जाकर आप ऐसे चुप बैठे रहोगे. You will not express your thoughts or your opinions or your suggestions. You're simply working. If you're simply working like a machine, even if the quality of your work is good, okay, the company is not going to entertain you for long period. Okay, see, every organization is looking for employees who are concerned about the company, who are having suggestions to give in the meeting. You cannot just be a part of meeting and you're not talking anything. Okay, if this is the case, then the company is not going to entertain you. Please start working on your communication skills, both oral as well as written, because high performance team is having good communication skills. Okay, moving on to point number 6, which is shared responsibility. All right.
Shared responsibility. Focus in such teams is on sharing of responsibility of the task by all the team members in equal proportion, which is unlike a normal work group where the non-performing members may hide behind or delegate some of their tasks to high-performing group members.
I think usually what happens is, if you are a part of normal working group, okay, it may happen that the non-performers will transfer the responsibility of work to the performers. Okay, see, there is a clear difference between group and team. Group is a collective members, working for more than 2, 3, 4 people, working on a common project is a group. Okay, and then the same 2, 3, 4 people, if having good coordination, are dedicated, okay, are motivated, then that particular group of member is called as team. Okay, so this is the clear line of difference between group and team. All right. So in high performance team students, people are focused on, sharing the responsibility. Okay, they do not hide behind, you know, behind something called a protection of group members. No, they all are sharing the responsibilities. Okay, and I think this is something very interesting. ग्रुप में क्या होता है, लोग नॉन परफॉर्मर्स जो है वो अपना काम इजीली परफॉर्मर्स को ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. ओके, but in case of high performance team, this is not the case. Everyone is self motivated, everyone is dedicated. Okay, and then they are doing equal proportion of work, they are contributing equally to the project, which makes, uh, the team more stronger. I think बहुत जरूरी होता है कि अगर आप एक मेंबर हो ना किसी टीम के, तो क्रेडिबिलिटी इक्वल शेयर हो. कि व्हाट इज क्रेडिबिलिटी? आप not just failures but also for success, सबको equal credit मिलना चाहिए, है ना. तो फेलियर्स में अगर किसी को सबको इक्वल रिस्पॉन्सिबल ठहराते हो, तो सक्सेस में भी सबको इक्वली क्रेडिट मिलना चाहिए, राइट. So shared responsibility is again one of the interesting characteristics of high performance team. Every member is sharing the responsibility and, contributing in the equal proportion. Okay, then the next one is very interesting, which is problem solving. Okay.
Problem solving. High performance teams are primarily a team of efficient problem solvers who analyze the problems, discuss the possible solutions, and carry out the decided actions planned in a quick span of time so that the problem does not hinder the progress of a task.
I think it's clear that, nobody would want to continue working with the problem, right? But the team members of high performance team, they are not just identifying the problem, but they're also giving the solution based on the analysis of the problem, right? So I think this is again very interesting. We have seen on answer managerial skills. Over there we have seen this, problem solving skills is also referred to as designing skills, right? Students as an employee, this important characteristic should be there. Okay, that, you are able to identify the problem and you are also able to give the solution to the problem. I think it is very easy to identify the problem since you are into the work system. You might be knowing what are the problems. However, okay, just identifying the problem is half done. Okay, you need to have the quality of also, designing the solution to those problems, because you cannot continue working with the problems, right? So high performance team members, they are focused on, finding out solutions. They are problem solvers. They analyze the problems, they have a discussion, and they come up with the interesting solutions. Let us see the last one, which is innovative.
Innovative. Innovation is considered the life and soul of high performance teams. Team members always try to come up with innovative ideas to complete the task faster. Innovation is also sought after while trying to solve different work related issues.
I think this is again one of the very interesting characteristics of high performance team, that team members are innovative. Okay, and what is innovation? Doing the things in a modern way, or doing the things in a new way. Okay, or trying to, incorporate new ideas. Okay, new methods of working. That's called innovation. And these team members are very innovative. Okay, they share new ideas, they share new methods of working. Um, After you see all these 8 characteristic students, I think you will understand one thing, that, high performance team members are highly motivated. Okay, and possibly they are more comfortable with their team members because they share the same wavelength. Okay, they all have the same, if not same, at least some similar perspective. Okay, and organization should identify this type of teams and should acknowledge and validate their work. there is a conclusion paragraph also. Very small. We'll just complete it very quickly. Okay, Anisha.
A high performance team can complete a routine task faster than a management can assemble an ad hoc team to deal with the same task. And the efficiency of a high performance team is anywhere from 10 to 100 times that of lower performing teams. Product teams produce higher quality output with less failure work. Customer service teams have substantially higher client satisfaction and retention rates. High performance teams foster innovation, customer satisfaction, higher quality, individual team member engagement, and viability. High performance teams also create unique competitive advantages for their companies by displaying mindfulness in the areas of flexibility, sensitivity to operations, and liking to expertise. The organization benefits from motivated, energized individuals well positioned to propel the larger structure towards innovative, effective solutions to challenges facing their industry. As a bonus, high performance correlates with the high job satisfaction, thus increasing retention and lowering turnover costs.
I think it is the summary of this answer in this paragraph is a very beautiful explanation. It states that high performance team members, since they are motivated, there is high job satisfaction, obviously reducing employee absenteeism and employee turnover, right? And then it also states that anywhere this high performance team is 100 times better than the low performing team. In area of product team, they are able to deliver quality products. In area of customer service, they are able to have satisfied clients, okay, happy clients, right? And team members, they all encourage innovation. They are more quality conscious, okay. They believe that one should work with flexibility and should have expertise. Okay, I think organization is going to overall achieve a lot and benefit a lot if you have a high performance team in your organization. On that note, students, I stop here. I hope there is no difficulty in the answer. I'll share this PDF, uh, this what you say, Google Classroom. All right, you can refer to the PDFs. If there is any doubt, you can get back to me. थोड़ा last में मैं fast हो गई. This is because we started late. Since most of you joined very late, like 8-9 minutes late. So please don't do that. Next time, be on time. I hope there is no difficulty in the answer.
No, ma'am.
All right. Then on that note, I stop here. You all have a nice day ahead. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. Bye bye.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बेटा बोलो ना.
मैम
हाँ
वो
हाँ
आप बता रहे थे ना कल कोई बीएमएम
हाँ.
का कुछ चाय बारिश एंड ऑल, उसका कुछ मैसेज है?
BMM का. It is not BMM. It is cultural fest बेटा.
ओके मैम, कुछ मैसेज है उसका?
हाँ हाँ
Like-
हाँ वो आएगा. It is on. See, we are celebrating on 26, 27, and 28 ना. So we will circulate the message on Sunday. That means tomorrow. Today I am planning to keep a small meeting with the cultural students. Okay. Anisha is a part of cultural committee, na Anisha?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today at 5 o'clock in the evening, possibly at 5 or maybe after lectures also, I have to check with the other team members. And then we will have a small meeting with the cultural committee students. All right. And we will start sending the messages to all the group.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Okay, beta. Welcome. All right, guys.
Have a
Bye
nice
bye.
day ma'am. Bye.
You also
Thank
have
you,
a
ma'am.
nice day. Welcome. Bye bye.